Hello and welcome to Senturus Power BI Visualizations Intermediate. My name is Patrick Powers, trainer, data architect, and developer here at Senturus. This module is on Tooltips. In this video, we will look at how to effectively use tooltips. Tooltips help our users understand the data on a page, what a mark means, what a certain color is expressing, and all sorts of information. Tooltips can be expressed in different ways, such as with color or text formatting. Tooltip information is directed to an API call, which can be leveraged for more advanced tooltips. This API is known as the iTooltips service. It's used to notify the host that a tooltip needs to be displayed, removed, or moved. Normally, it works in the background without any interaction from the user, but it can be exploited to create more advanced types of tooltips. Let's see how adding tooltips can make a visualization better. We will add both standard tooltips and a report page tooltip. We'll start out by adding a new page. And we're going to start the page by adding a clustered column chart and resizing it to fit the canvas. From Fact Internet Sales, we'll add sales amount. And from dim order date, date hierarchy, add the year as well. This gives us a basic high-level visualization. Note that when we hover over each bar, we see the default tooltips of year and sales amount. We can add additional tooltips. From Fact Internet Sales, add order quantity to the tooltips drop zone under the visualization pane. While this is an acceptable tooltip and an acceptable visualization, we can enhance this by adding a page tooltip that shows more detail. Click the plus sign at the bottom of the page to add a new report page, and we'll be using this as a hover over result. As such, we want to control the size of the new page. In the visualization pane, click the format icon. Expand page size, and from the drop-down, select Tooltip. To see how this canvas will look as a tooltip, we will also adjust the page preview size. From the View menu option ribbon, click on Page View and change from Fit Page to Actual Size. We also want it to be clear what the purpose of this page is. To do that, we can use the Page Information box. Expand Page Information in the Visualizations pane, and in the name, type Tooltip. In the same section, click the Tooltip slider to On. This marks the report as being a tooltip. We'll now build our visualization for this page. From the pane, click on Pie Chart and resize it to fit the window. From Dim Customer, add Country to the Legend drop zone. And from Fact Internet Sales, add Sales Amount to the Values drop zone. Next, we need to specify the fields that will trigger this tooltip. With the pie chart selected, in the visualization pane, drag both year and sales amount to the tooltip drop zone. Return back to the original report. Hover over any of the bars. Now we see our tooltip page. Note that any report that uses these fields will also show the tooltip. If we want to eliminate this behavior, we have to change how tooltips behave on the other reports. Click back to the prior report. Notice that when we hover over this, we see that same tooltip. We want to go into the formatting for this visualization. Under Tooltip, change the type from report page to default. Now when we hover over, we get our standard tooltip. That concludes this module where we learned about tooltips. In our next installment, we will see how to create bookmarks. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and check back for the next entry in the series. Thank you for watching.